Good morning, students. Today we will solve one more question related to Stokes theorem. The question is, evaluate single integration over the curve C vector f dot dr using Stokes theorem. The function f is given yi cap plus z j cap plus x k cap over the curve. Intersection of x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. This is the equation of the sphere, and x plus z is equal to a. This is the equation of plane. So you know the curve intersection of this and this, when a plane cuts the sphere, there will be a circle. Okay, so first we will use this using Stokes theorem. So what is the Stokes theorem? Stokes theorem statement is this: integration over the boundary curve C vector f dot dr is equal to double integration over the surface S del cross f dot n cap ds. So the question is asking find this, but by using the Stokes theorem we will find this value. So automatically we will find the value of this integration. So for this value we will find del cross f, it means curl of f n cap ds. So see here, the point is, if S or C is not in x or y plane, if S or C is not in x or y plane, then n cap is the normal vector. So n cap is the gradient of phi upon modulus of gradient of phi, and ds will be dx dy upon n cap dot k cap modulus. So here this is the sphere and this is the plane, so it will be x y z axis. Okay, so what will we do? We will find n cap and ds. So n cap will be gradient of phi upon modulus of gradient of phi. So here phi is the equation of the plane x plus z minus a. So by this we will find the gradient of phi. Gradient of phi value is this, you know all very well. So when we put the value of phi here and partial differentiate it with respect to x, then it will be I cap, plus there will no any y, then its value will be 0, plus and its value will be minus plus k cap, then I plus k cap. This is the value of gradient of phi. So n cap is gradient of phi upon modulus of gradient of phi. So gradient of phi value is I plus k, and the modulus of gradient of phi is root 2. 1, the coefficient of I cap is 1, the coefficient of k cap is 1. 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 1, square root is under root 2. So this is the value of n cap. See here, we will find the value of del cross f n cap ds. So first we will find n cap. Now curl of f. Curl of f we will write here in the determinant form, del cross f. So in the first row we will write I, j, k. In the second row we will write del by del x, del by del y, del upon del z. In the second row we will write the coefficient of I, j, k in vector f. yzx and solve this. See how to solve this. See, this is the del cross f value. So what will we do? I cap. First row and first column element is I cap. So in the I cap, this column, this row, this is the co-minor of this determinant. We will multiply, cross multiply, then del upon del y x. x का y के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन 0 माइनस z का z के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन 1 माइनस j कैप. So j, this column, this row, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन x के रेस्पेक्ट में x का 1, z के रेस्पेक्ट में y का 0 प्लस k. दिस कॉलम, दिस रो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन x z का x के रेस्पेक्ट में 0 माइनस y का y के रेस्पेक्ट में 1. देन इट विल बी माइनस i माइनस j माइनस k. माइनस i minus j minus k. This is the value of del cross f. It means curl f. Now see here. Now using the Stokes theorem, we will put the value, we will use this and we write the value of del cross f minus I minus j minus k. We will put dot n cap value I plus k upon root 2 and ds. Now we will dot product I dot I, j dot j, k dot k will be 1. So minus 1 I dot I will be 1, then it will be minus 1. j यहाँ पे नहीं है तो यहाँ पे ये हो जाएगा 0 माइनस k dot k minus 1 upon root 2 ds. Root 2 is constant, so we will put outside of the integration minus root 2 double integration ds. We will say this is the area of the surface. This is the area of the surface. Now root 2 area of surface. So for finding the area of surface, we will draw the curve. Now this is the surface. Okay. What is the equation of the surface? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. So its radius is a. So let this is the x axis, y axis, z axis. The plane x plus z is equal to a. X plus z is equal to a. So if this is the a, this is a. So what is the value of this line? This line value is a root 2. See here, if the plane cuts the surface, this is the radius of, this is the diameter of the, circle. This is the circle. Okay, this is the circle. This is the diameter of the circle. So what is the radius of the circle? A root 2 by 2 is equal to a upon root 2. So here it is right, area of surface. Then area of the circle, you know, pi r square. Here r is equal to a root 2. So it will be pi a upon root 2 whole square. When we will solve this, we will find the value minus pi a square upon root 2. This is the final answer. I hope you understand this. Okay, thank you.